Tired of the Wix website access dance? Let's break down how to smoothly get access to your client's Wix site so you can work your magic. First, have your client log into their Wix account. Then, on their Wix dashboard, they'll need to click on Settings in the left-hand menu. It's usually near the bottom. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find Roles and Permissions and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Now, your client should click the Invite People button. This will open a window where they can enter your email address. Your client needs to enter your email address and then choose the right role for you. For full access, admin is the way to go, but for specific tasks, website manager or blog editor might be more suitable. Each role has different levels of access, so ensure they select the one that aligns with your responsibilities. After the role is selected and they've clicked Send Invitation, an email will be sent to you. Remember, the client needs to let you know that the invitation was sent so that you can accept. Check your email. You should see an invitation from Wix. Open the email and click the Accept Invitation button. And that's it. You'll be prompted to log into your Wix account, and you'll now have access to your client's site based on the role assigned. Now you can edit site and start making those amazing changes. Now you can collaborate seamlessly with your client and manage their website effectively. Happy designing, developing, or marketing.